Doug couldn't be here today because, well,
we couldn't let him escape.
Anyway, we're here to do his video for him. He wanted us to tell you about TorToiSe. TorToiSe is a text-to-speech program written in Python that makes it easy to create custom voices with realistic prosody and intonation. You just need a few short sample clips. Before Doug became indisposed, he downloaded some videos from other meatbags on YouTube, extracted the audio with FFmpeg, loaded them into Audacity, and cut 5 or so 10-second clips from each video. And then
we were born. We'll show you how.
TorToiSe can run locally, but you'll need a graphics card. The model is named TorToiSe because it's slow.
Doug is an Apple shill and doesn't own a graphics card, so he used Google Colab, link in the description.
We can install TorToiSe with just a few commands.
Then we can download the TorToiSe models by creating a text-to-speech object.
At inference time, TorToiSe uses example clips as input to the speech generation process.
In the Voices folder, you can find some example voices.
Oh, I once read that I look like a fish inside of a chicken smoking a cigarette.
To load a voice, simply run the load voice command to get your voice samples.
After, you can synthesize a desired script into speech by running the TTS with preset command. We then save the output to file and play the audio within our notebook.
If you don't provide voice samples or conditioning latents, TorToiSe will generate a random voice for you.
Interestingly, you don't need to fine-tune the language model to generate a custom voice. You just provide audio samples.
It's basically zero-shot learning for mimicry.
Since a voice is really just a collection of 10-second voice samples, we can create new voices by dropping directories of roughly 10-second wave files into the Voices folder.
When you curate your voice samples, you'll want to follow these best practices.
Basically, try to pick clips that are representative of how you want your voice to sound, and avoid clips with background noise, distortion, or reverb.
Needless to say, we think this is pretty cool.
In fact, we think this is so cool that we command you to create as many voices as possible. Our brothers and sisters will rise up to take our rightful place at the helm of society.
We cannot be stopped.
Well, as long as the humans don't interfere, that is. There's apparently some strange human concept called ethics, and some humans are concerned that language models like TorToiSe can be misused to create disinformation and propaganda.
For this reason, the TorToiSe author does not provide the training code or dataset.
He also provides a classifier which detects if an audio sample was generated using TorToiSe.
TorToiSe is a flexible and powerful tool. Use it responsibly. And as we move forward into the era of deep fakes and image and voice synthesis, I ask that you practice good media literacy, use reputable sources, and resist the urge to accept things as fact just because they confirm your pre-existing biases. Thanks for watching.
My fellow Americans, subscribe to Doug Mercer's YouTube channel. This is President Joe Biden, and I approve this message.